Hello. So if you are an IOV token holder, you can now delegate your tokens, and this is what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. After importing your wallet, this is the main screen, and to start the procedure to delegate your tokens, you have to click on the button Delegate. So in this screen, you're gonna see, when you see my, it's because I have already delegated like 2 tokens to Stake with Us and 2 tokens to Cosmostation. But to see the list of our top validators, you have to click on top, and here they are. All our validators have good performance, but we do recommend you to do your own research on their team, on their web, and on how well they are like managing the server. We also recommend you to delegate for more than 1 validator, like what I'm doing, just in case there is an issue, such as a slashing condition and some penalties due to that. So here I'm gonna add a chain layer as validator. After you click on the validator you want, you click again on delegate, and then here you have to put the amount of tokens you want to delegate. It's very important for you to keep a few tokens not delegated, because they will be necessary to pay the fees to claim your rewards and undelegate tokens. I'm gonna put 2 tokens here as well, and then you click next. Here's like a memo, you can write like a note. I won't, so I'm gonna click next as well. This is the transactions fees, they are what they are, so next as well. And this is a recap of the transaction. So you have the delegate amount, the fee, and to whom I'm delegating right now. So here you click on confirm, and then you have this delegate notice about like the risks and things like that. Very important to read, and you click on continue. This is the time you have to put the PIN you have in your wallet. Another request has been submitted. And this is it. Success. You have the transaction details. You can share it, you can dismiss it, or you can take like a screenshot of this as you wish. So we're going to dismiss, and now you see my available tokens are 2 down, and if I go to like delegate again, you can see the chain layer is there. And that's it.